Hello. Yeah. Now, once again, now you can see the screen. Nazar Kushi. Okay. So we are on the polymorphism. There is a concept of polymorphism. Means same name, different task. It's called polymorphism. The function name is same or not? Nazar demo and demo one. Dono demo. Both are the demo, but both have different arguments. If we call this demo with only one argument, then this function will execute means behavior. It will just change the behavior. We can use any code here in this block. Any code here. We can use any other code, any echo or any other line of code, and we can use different code here. So different behavior or not of the same name function. So it is called polymorphism. Yeah. Polymorph. This is the an object-oriented concept where same function can be used for different purpose. For example, function name will remain same, but it make it may be may take different number of, maybe there's some grammatical mistake. May take with a different number of argument and can do different tasks. Okay, the same thing. Different number of argument and can do different tasks. Actually, maybe sometimes we need to we have only one argument, and sometimes okay. Let's take an example. We have print underscore r function, inbuilt function, PHP inbuilt function. The definition of that function is in library. So in that function, if we pass, okay, I'm not taking example of that particular argument. I'm taking example of type of argument. If we pass a integer type variable, then that print underscore r will print that particular variable on our screen, browser screen. It will print or not. And if we pass array type variable, then also it will print that particular array, whatever be the within the values, whatever the number of values in that particular array. Yeah, that means same function, same name function can be used for different type of variable, different type of variable printing. It is also a polymorphism example. Means it is not take only a single type. Means it is not take only integer type or only any string type or only array type. It will take. It can be take any type of variable, any type of value. In the same way, if you are trying to echo array type variable, then it will just show only array. It will not print the element and the value within of that particular array. If you just try to echo array type variable in our PHP core PHP, then it will give you just a array in the browser screen, not give you the values. Okay, so that echo is not defined like that. So print underscore r is defined like we can pass any type of value into that particular array, into that particular function. Sorry, this is kind of you can say this is the advantage of polymorphism, or why we use the polymorphism. Okay. Okay, overloading a type of polymorphism is in which some or all operator have different implementation depending on the type of their argument. Similar function can also be overloaded with the different implementation. One second. हाँ जी।
और भी वसीम को, हाँ,
क्या?
वसीम को बोल दिया किसी और को असाइन कर दे, उसको घर से कुछ हेल्प मिल नहीं रही है, जब बातें करनी हो अपना कुछ बोला हम मोटिवेट कर नहीं पा रहे, 4 दिन बर्बाद किए और बर्बाद करने चाहिए, 4 दिन अगर कुछ नहीं करो वो दिन में क्या,
तो वो बगल में बैठा था, उसको भेजा था मैंने, वो क्या बोलते रुपीस
चला गया वो, गवर्नमेंट की परमिशन सेट नहीं हुई,
ऐसा बोल के चला।
हाँ गवर्नमेंट वही कर रहा था, गवर्नमेंट की परमिशन सेट लेकिन वही, तो वो क्यों अनिल सर को उसको आता है, कोऑर्डिनेटर कर लेगा,
बोल के नहीं।
वसीम वसीम को, हाँ वो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा ना, कितने घंटे बर्बाद किए,
बहुत
4 दिन,
4 दिन
15 घंटे, 50 मिनट 15 घंटे तो बर्बाद किए तुमने,
8 से 32 घंटे, 15 घंटे,
15 घंटे तो बर्बाद किए ना,
4 दिन हो ना ये, 6 दिन में देना,
6 दिन में नहीं देना, 6 तारीख तक देना,
6 तारीख तक देना। आज
ये मंडे, आज कितनी 2 है,
4
4
5
5 6 3 दिन,
बोल के देख।
गुलाम वसीम को,
हेलो हेलो, नजर सीरियस प्लीज गो, प्लीज गो, just 5 minutes, okay? Nazar, Kushi, are you there? Yeah, I'm coming within 5 minutes. Just please be online. Okay?
एक बात, एक मिनट बात,
हाँ गणेश भाई। Yeah, hello. Yeah. Kushi, are you there? Okay. Now next concept of overloading. We are discussing about the concepts of object oriented programming. Okay. Oops, concept. Okay, Kushi. Overloading. What is the overloading? A type of polymorphism in which some or all the operator have different implementation depending on the type of their argument. Similarly, function can also be overloaded with a different implementation. Actually, this the overloading is one type of polymorphism. It means you can see that in any other language, in Java and PHP, actually the plus operator. This plus operator will can be add to integer. Yeah, it can be add to integer and also concatenate to string also. Means if there is to string, then it can we can use the same operator in JavaScript also, in the JavaScript. But in the PHP we have dot operator for concatenating to string. But in JavaScript, you can add to integer by using plus operator, or you can concatenate to string by using plus operator with the same operator. It is called overloading. Okay, it depends on the argument. Means these two, left hand side and right hand side arguments, depends on these two arguments. Overloading, a type of polymorphy in which some or all operator have different implementation depending on the type of their argument. Argument means left hand side value or and the right hand side value. Okay, Nazar. There's some other concept actually. We have less time. Okay, just try to read these other concepts, and I have share you one link also. In that link you can see they just created a class, and create the object of that particular class, and some example of polymorphism also, their constructor, what is the constructor, destructor. They give you an example. Try to read these things. Okay, because I have only 10 to 20 minutes. That's why actually today is Saturday and I'm the last person in the company. Okay. Now, next thing, Zen framework. One second, let me try to understand. Sorry. Yeah. 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 I am just. Yes. Tell me. Okay. About the project, your biggest problem. The project. Yeah. One second. One second. Your voice is breaking. Sorry. 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 Sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is breaking. Just please say it again. I didn't prepare. Actually, I have to. Okay. LexisNexis. LexisNexis. July 14 till date. What is this here? Comes to here. One second. Uh, Develop contact fill application using Drupal and install the integration of this app on application online. Installation of and integration of the application online. Contact fill application. Yeah, actually, even I don't know about the fill application. I didn't concentrate on your projects. I just thought that you have doubt on these things. That's why I just concentrate on these points only. Okay, we have Monday, no issue, no issue. We have Monday. On Monday, we can discuss about your all projects, data activity, introducing module and theme into Drupal code, allow API development. R is not there and D is not there. API development for API development. Module and theme into Drupal code. Okay, I can prepare your, you can say, your projects on Monday, and I will just describe you all the things about your projects and what you have to say. And if anybody asks you about your projects, what kind of project you have developed, what is your role in that particular projects. Okay, because we have Monday. Okay, I actually thought that you have doubt on, or we already discussed about the responsibilities, but only briefly. Yes, only briefly we have discussed these responsibilities. Sorry, we only talked about e-party. Okay, okay, okay. I just sent you the URL of any project. Do you have URLs of your projects? You don't have URL. You don't have URL of these projects. Yeah, you have. Okay, just if do me a favor, just send me these URL. Okay, today, just send me this URL via mail. I have to understand the project, and according to your responsibilities, from scratch, enter development team, build foundation. Okay, okay, no issue. Most of the things is the just try to understand implementation RSS feed of blog and new articles. Yeah, there is some modules available. If we just read out these about these these modules, then we understand the working of these modules. Okay, and let's see what, and in this Zen framework, model view controller. Actually, Zend is a framework. I have just defined some short description of model view controller also. Rich web interface. What is rich web interface? I have just tried to describe this rich web interface. Just try to read out these things. Drupal themes. What is the Drupal theme? Just concentrate on this topic. Okay. Whenever you are just reading this, just concentrate on this topic because Drupal theme is most important in the theming. Kushi, are you there? Okay, and making a custom Drupal theme is actually quite easy. Drupal theme is PHP file, CSS file, and info file are referred to PHP template and engine navigation. And I just write some uh, what you can say, description of different the files. We use these files, these extension file means base. .tpl.php file we need, .info file we need, .css, .tpl, node.tpl.php file we need, blog, comment, logo. These are the basic file we need while we are creating theme. This is the topic how we create the themes, okay, of Drupal style sheet. And there is some I just found a link on the YouTube, the video series. This is the video series, again a video series for creating a theme. In that particular video series they just use a HTML template. What is the HTML template? We already discussed. Template means, yeah, some designer, some developer created basic HTML template. Basic HTML template means just a coding of HTML, CSS, jQuery, nothing else. Not any language, not any CMS. Okay, HTML, CSS, and our jQuery only used, and they created a structure, just a structure. They create just a structure. It is called HTML template. Okay, in this video series they just use one HTML template, and they just try to create a theme with the help of this particular HTML template. Maybe there is a 6 or 7 videos are there, and you have time also. So today and tomorrow just try to learn that, we try to see that whole video series, and try to understand how we create themes. Okay, because they are going to ask you about the theme creation and module creation, definitely. Okay, Nazar. CSS3. So what is the CSS3? I just write it. It is the latest evolution, means latest version. This is the latest version. And if you want to understand some basic concepts or advanced concept, so this is the link. Okay, examples, only examples, and they just use some code also there in that example. How we code? We use ID and class in CSS. Okay, do you remember? ID and class of HTML attributes. Yeah. Okay. Now then, web servers. I just concentrate on web servers. What is the web servers? Actually, why we use web server, and these are the three different web servers. Apache, we generally we use Apache open source web server. Tomcat is for Java. Okay, Java runtime enterprises. JBoss is also open source server, and also used in different kind of application, in Java application also. Okay, SAP application. SAP is a language. Actually, in your resume you have Tomcat, Java, means just you have to know, you have to understand the definition. Okay, you can say that, yeah, you have generally you have worked on the Apache server or Apache server. Okay. Now, in the next web services, yeah, these are the web services. What is the above are the web servers. Web servers are different and web services are different. Okay, web services are two kind of object simple object access protocol, and the responsible state transfer, means REST and SOAP. Okay, and there is some the definition of both REST and SOAP. Actually, I already sent you the definition of REST and SOAP also, before. Just read out this definition also. Okay, why we use REST, why we use SOAP, when we use REST, when we use SOAP. Okay, does it? Try to understand. Version control, this is not related to development. This is the actually not related to coding. This is related to how we manage our code. Means we when we develop our website, if it is a big website, then we put our code on server. But uh, any third party server is kind of Git or GitHub. If there is some website available, GitHub and all the things. So I just explain here all the things. web developer, a lot of time we tend to work on local development side and just upload everything done. Yeah, we generally we do the same thing. We develop our website in the local machine and upload it into the server side. This is when just you have to charge the small, and but when you are dealing with more than one person working on something, more than one person working on something, it means our website is large website. So large projects, lots of complicated compound, then simply not feasible that when we turn something called version control. So we need some version control. What is the version control? I just defined here, and these are the different gate is a different version control. SVN and CVN is the different CVS. Actually, this is the CVS. Sorry, okay, this is the CVS. Just correct this thing. Search engine optimization. Just define the search engine. If you read this only once, then you will get understand what is the search engine optimization. If you want to dig this topic, then you can find this link. See more. You can find this link in this the basic of search engine optimization, basic methodologies why we use. Actually, this is search engine optimizer dedicated to a specific person. It is not work of developer, but you have to know about this search engine optimization. Multi-server Drupal website means let give you overview. Multi-level means let's take example. We have a large website. Okay, in our website, I just want to put our whole code, database, and some files, all the files in one server. Okay, but our website can upload videos, photos, and the PDF documents, and all the things. I just want to put these things into different server. So for this, we can create multi-server website. Okay, it is called the multi-server website. We have to configure this website. You can say that yeah, you know the definition, and this is again one link, a simple Drupal link. You can see this particular link. They just define how we create, how we configure, what is multi-server website of Drupal. Drupal shopping cart we discussed. There's two major modules are there for shopping cart: Uber cart and commerce. We already discussed about the Uber cart. Even then, if you want to just read out the description of Uber cart, one second, क्या? ये मेरे पास yeah. If you want to see the more description on the Uber card, then you can find out. You can go through our original our website, Drupal website. Okay, this is the link, and this is a commerce link. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It is creating a Drupal resume description. Yeah, I can see here in this document now. I can see the doc. Okay, the same thing in this document. The same thing. Whatever I have just written in the mail. Okay. So now I have to concentrate on your projects. Is that so? So on Monday, actually Sunday I'm not available. So we will discuss on Monday, and you have interview Tuesday, so we can take a long session on Monday. No issue. Okay, Nazar? Uh, yeah, yeah. I will just review all five websites. Sorry, or you saying anything else? Okay, yeah. I will just review this all for five. Yeah, and yeah, Yeah, yeah. Okay. You can send on Sunday also. Just if you have any doubt, if you read this definition also, if any doubt arise, then you can send email. Sunday also, we will discuss on Monday. Same thing. And Khushi, hello Khushi, are you there? Khushi, did you complete that particular module development task? Okay, just send me the zip file and your database also, database backup, and username password. Okay, and Khushi, just concentrate on that new theme development. Be your next task. Okay, theme development. In I will send you this email. I will send you this email. Both of just concentrate. There is a topic theme development. Concentrate on this that topic and try to implement the video series, Khushi. Okay. About the theme. Actually, there is a link of theme development. Model controller, rich interface. Yeah, Drupal theme. In this bottom of topic, yeah, this link. Okay, this is a YouTube link. The video series or 6 or 7 videos are there. Just try to concentrate on these videos. Okay, Nazar. Okay, so that's it for the session. And Khushi, if you have any doubt on this session also, or the Drupal development, module development, you can send me a mail. Okay, okay, Nazar and Khushi, bye bye. Have a nice day.